You see, it's called Agra Fort. This built with a red stone, but this is not a red fort because red fort in Delhi.
Agra Fort.
And this Agra Fort covered with the two different walls and two moats, double moat. This is the outer moat actually. Used to be full of water with the crocodiles and alligators.
Oh my God! Here.
Yes, at that time. And see the outer wall, this height 45 feet and inner wall height 75 feet. So between the both walls, there's another moat, that's a dry moat, the jungle moat.
Okay.
And that moat full of hungry wild animals like lions and tigers.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
Actually, this was not a fort, this fort come residence. Kings also, they used to live in this fort, so they protect himself. That's why this covered with the double moat.
Lions.
And now we're going inside to visit this fort. We're going on the wooden bridge. There was a bridge and that bridge was 35 feet long. Now government they covered.
She said.
Yes. Actually it's covered with the iron plate. Down there was the original wooden bridge.
Yeah.
Get shot. So they can lift it the wooden bridge. This connect with the chain and pulley system with the boulder. So these boulders roll them down with the help of elephant. And here them come. That boulders.
Okay. So ആന ഉപയോഗിച്ചായിരുന്നു ഇത് ലിഫ്റ്റ് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത് ആ ബ്രിഡ്ജ് ഓപ്പൺ ആക്കാൻ. പക്ഷെ ഇപ്പൊ ബ്രിഡ്ജ് ഇല്ല, ഗവൺമെന്റ് അത് അടച്ചു. 35 ഫീറ്റ്.
So I told you it is called Agra Fort. So this Agra Fort started by third Mughal king, the great Akbar.
Akbar, yeah.
1565.
And Shah Jahan was the grandson of Akbar, yeah?
Yes. Akbar started this fort in 1565, but this fort completed by four kings, the four generations. Akbar, Akbar's son Jahangir.
Jahangir,
Grandson
Shah Jahan's
Shah Jahan.
father, yeah.
And Akbar's great grandson Aurangzeb. So it took 95 years to complete this entire fort.
95 years?
Yes, almost 1 century.
Oh my God.
But the King Akbar who started this fort, he divided this fort in two parts, 25% and the 75%. But we cannot visit the 75 part of the fort because that part occupied army now. Because I told you they used to, the fort come residence. So 25% is a part of the residence of the king. And 75% he gave for his army.
Army.
So always
Okay.
army in there. During the Mughal time, Mughal army used to live. When the British government they conquered, so British army used to live. Now
Okay.
our Indian army is there.
This
So
nice.
the 25% is the royal residence and all the beautiful things in the 25% part of the fort. And we used to enter the first gate. That gate name is Amar Singh Gate. Amar Singh. They play the music. Drummers they beat the and the women they going in the balcony with the colorful dress. And they do the flower part. So welcome to the now you're welcome. Welcome to Agra. See there? It's not a color, it's not a paint. It's a mosaic work. How many generations? 4 generations. Part in this fort, the red color part built by first and second Jahangir. They like the red color, red stone. But the Shah Jahan who built the so Akbar he mixtured all the religious principles. Jahangir was the son of Akbar, father of Shah Jahan who built the town. So Akbar he mixtured all the religions and he used to take a bath in this river with the rose water.
Jahangir.
Put up this built one single block of stone without any joint, including the stairs. The 3 stairs outside and the same 3 stairs from inside. And this step deep 5 feet, the circumference 25 feet. This decorated with the gold. It was inside the palace.
Jahangir's palace, yeah?
Yes. And see the,
With Shah Jahan's father.
see the flowers. So Mughal dynasty they started with the Babur. Babur used to came in India in 1526. But Babur and Humayun did not build this fort. Actually, before this fort, here was a mud fort, so they lived in the mud. Akbar, he was a smart guy. He wanted the large kingdom, so he protects first himself. So he start this with the bricks and the stone, with the red stone.
അപ്പോൾ നമ്മളിപ്പോൾ ജഹാംഗീർ ചക്രവർത്തിയുടെ പാലസിനകത്തേക്ക് കടക്കുകയാണ്. മുഴുവൻ ഇരുട്ടാണ് ഇവിടെ. ഓ, റിസപ്ഷൻ ഹാൾ ആയിരുന്നു ഇത്. റിസപ്ഷൻ, ഓക്കെ.
This was a beautiful palace, and this palace for the second king, guys. And he also followed his father. He had two wives, Hindu and Islam. So this was a beautiful bedroom of the Jahangir. But at that time, they don't like the doors. They never use the doors there. They like the curtains. So here they're hanging the beautiful curtains, and the curtains decorated with diamonds, gems, jewels, floor covered with the carpet. In the center, there was a big sandalwood sleeping bed. On the back side, there was a ventilation windows for the fresh air. During in the summer, when very hot, some women they're going behind the window and they pull the manual fan to keep it cool.
So what happened to the diamonds and?
Everything is gone because after the Mughals, so many enemies they attacked.
Okay.
They took lots of things, and finally the Britishers they conquered and
Yeah.
No, where's the bed and all?
jewels decorated.
Oh,
with
the bed was
jewels
made in sandalwood.
Yes.
And everything is stolen.
Stolen, yes. By the Nadir Shah, he came from Iran, Britishers. There's a dining hall. So they used to eating there with the music, live music.
Oh, that was the dining hall there.
And behind the dining hall, there was a part of kitchen, but that part is that room, especially for the Hindu wives. So this was the temple. So the Hindu wife, she used to pray in that room. And see the carving on the door, Hindu architecture, the Hindu design.
For Hindu, Jahangir also had
Also Hindu wife.
Hindu and
Hindu
Muslim.
and
Muslim.
And she put in there the gold goddess statues, like a Lord Krishna, Lord Shiva. And this was the dancing floor. So any festivals, Jahangir's birthday, or the entertainment, so lady dancers, they used to do a dance over here with the colorful dress. And look at the windows. They are the Islamic Muslims, so they make the symmetry. So that windows, they built for the queens. Actually, according to Islamic religion, they not show the face. That's why they sit in the dark parts, so they can see everybody, but nobody can see them.
Okay.
The king sit on the top in the tower, and they have a mistresses, so they used to sit in the arches around, and they watch the dance. And I told you his father had 3 wives
Yeah.
from different religions. So
Yeah.
look at the queen window, there is a tree symbol. The
Oh.
top arch is a Hindu temple arch. It's like a temple. In the down both sides, many cutting arches. That's Islam. And third is the 5 crosses for the Christians.
For the Christian wife.
So 3 of religions symbols there. And see the carvings, architecture, the all Hindu architecture mostly. And this stone name is sandstone. This is a red sandstone, and this stone they import from Rajasthan and Fatehpur.
ഇവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു ഡൈനിങ് ഹാൾ അല്ലേ? ഇതായിരുന്നു ഡൈനിങ് ഹാൾ. ഓ ഇവിടെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ് ഉണ്ടല്ലേ. ഇവിടെ എല്ലാം അടച്ചിരിക്കാം. Closed.
Did you see the steps? Upstairs, you can go. You can't go.
If you have any questions, ask me. And look at these rooms. These are the library rooms.
Library.
Library. Because the Jahangir, they like the Holy Quran books, paintings. So you have lots of books and paintings. So you keep the books and the paintings from the downside. And up there, put the oil lamps and the candles. And the whole library, even the bedroom, also decorated like this with a beautiful colors. And you put the inside there with a silver color, so light will be reflected. The whole painting has like a carpet there.
How many years old this building is?
Almost 500 years.
500 years.
400. They make like this thick wall because of the control the temperature and the straw. So during in the summer not too hot in here, during in the winter not too cold. And the strong as well. That's why they make like this thick
Walls. Yeah.
The guards they used to be. And this was the beautiful courtyard.
Courtyard.
So they used to walk here. During in the morning and the evening they used to walk here. And
Uh-huh.
look at the hole.
What is that hole?
4 feet deep. 4 feet, and here used to be a fountain.
Okay, water fountain.
Big fountain here, but that time no electricity, no water pressure. So they put the tank on the roof, so the water used to come down on the force.
Ah.
The gravity working the fountain.
കറണ്ട് ഇല്ല.
കറണ്ട് ഇല്ല, ഇലക്ട്രിസിറ്റി ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു അപ്പൊ.
അപ്പൊ അതിന് ഒരു ടാങ്ക് മേളിൽ വെച്ചിട്ട് അവിടുന്ന് വെള്ളം അയക്കും.
And they have an animal
ഇത്
farm.
വന്നിട്ട് ഇങ്ങനെ ചാടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കും.
Yes, bring the water. They have with
Yeah.
the help of animals. Like a
Animals,
horse,
ah.
sorry, ox, bulls, elephant, they walk around near the river. They have
Uh-huh.
a wheel pump. The water goes to fill the tank again. And the water used to come through the gravity working that pump.
Okay.
Fill with the water and put the flower petals. And there's a drainage system. The wastage water goes to back to the river.
Oh, the drainage system there. Yeah.
And the backside, there's a beautiful view of the Taj Mahal and the river of Yamuna.
Oh, we can see from here.
But now we can't see because of the fog.
Oh, right. Hmm.
That's called Shishma. In Jaipur as well. Taj Mahal is spread there.
Taj Mahal is over there, yeah?
We can't see now. Spread there.
Oh, it's because it's foggy.
Yeah. Excuse me. That's called Yamuna River.
Yamuna River, yeah.
And that river was up to the fort at that. It's full of water.
Oh, up to here?
Yeah.
Oh, ഇവിടെ വരെ വെള്ളം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു പണ്ട്. ആ യമുന നദിന്ന്. Okay.
So look at this. This was the Preston Palace. It is called Summer Palace.
Summer Palace.
Summer Palace. Because I told you at that time no electricity. So no light, no air conditioner, no fan. And the Mughals, they are not descendant of India. They are originally from Uzbekistan. Mongolians they are. So how they survive during in the summer when very hot. Agra was the hottest city. So they built this part with a plaster of Paris.
Okay.
And they put the big water tank on the roof and they fill the tank with the water. Inside, and there is a two walls, and between the wall gap, so there's a hollow, empty inside. So they circulate that water between the wall. When the water used to circulate between the walls, so this plaster absorbs some water, so this keep it cool. This was a natural air conditioner hall.
Summertime.
500 years back. So such a, they are very smart. Traveling inside the wall, like a disco ball. Want to see? Stand here. Your face in the corner. And you go there, same corner. And you speak to yourself. It's like a wall.
ഓ ഇവിടെ പറയുന്ന അവിടെ കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റും. ഞാനും കൂടെ ട്രൈ ചെയ്യട്ടെ. ഹലോ ആൻഡ്രൂ. ഹലോ ആൻഡ്രൂ. ഇവിടെ അല്ലേ? ഓ ഈ സൈഡ് മാത്രം. Let me try. സോബിൻ. അമ്മേ അമ്മേ കേക്കാവോ? എനിക്ക് വയ്യ. എല്ലാം നാച്ചുറൽ സെറ്റിംഗ് ആയിരുന്നു അല്ലേ? വൈറ്റ്
Marble Palace. Third wife, her name was Mumtaz. So she had 14 children. Third wife, and she gets 3 wishes. First wish, you're not married again. She was the third. Second wish, you care my children. They have a big family. Third wish, you can do anything. Our love is famous always in the world. She is the third wife, and she had 14 children.
How many died?
8 died, 6 survived. And the 6 children, 2 daughters, 4 sons. And 2 daughters doesn't marry.
2 daughters?
Daughters doesn't marry. Because Shah Jahan, he not married them. He think if you're gonna marry them, son-in-laws, they claim some part of the kingdom.
Okay.
They never married.
ഷാജഹാന്റെ 2 പെൺമക്കള് കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. കാരണം അവരെ കല്യാണം കഴിപ്പിച്ച് വിട്ടില്ല ഷാജഹാൻ. എന്താന്ന് വെച്ചാല് അവര് കല്യാണം കഴിച്ചാല് അവരെ കെട്ടുന്ന ചെറുക്കന്മാര് ഇതിന്റെ ഭാഗം ചോദിക്കത്തില്ലേ?
So Shah Jahan built this palace for the daughter, and the shape of palanquin, palanque. This is for the younger daughter.
Oh,
This
last
is called the Roshanara palace.
റോഷനാര.
And same kind of palace behind the big building.
ഏറ്റവും അവസാനത്തെ മകളുടെ പേരിലുണ്ടാക്കിയതാ ഇതെല്ലാം.
Now there's a brass, but originally it was with gold. It used to be a gold. Yes, gold.
ഓ അത് ഒറിജിനലി ഇറ്റ് വാസ് മെയ്ഡ് ഇൻ ഗോൾഡ്.
അല്ല നേരത്തെ ഗോൾഡ് ആയിരുന്നു.
നേരത്തെ ഗോൾഡ് ആണ്.
Used to be a gold at that time.
Britishers
when they conquered the fort, they replaced the gold with the brass.
Oh no. Oh. This British people.
Fight each other. Each other and
Huh?
now you can see the from the outside, but careful. Railing was a loose, okay? Here's where they keep the wild animals, like the lions and
Oh, wild animals here.
with the crocodiles and alligators.
Oh my god. പുലിയും സിംഹത്തിനെയും കടുവയൊക്കെ ഇട്ടിരുന്ന സ്ഥലമായിരുന്നു ഇത്. ഈ കാട് പോലെ കിടക്കുന്നിടം. അതിനപ്പുറത്ത് വെള്ളം നിറച്ച് പിന്നെ മുതലയും ചീങ്കണ്ണിയൊക്കെ ഇട്ടിരുന്ന സ്ഥലം.
Wall, the soldiers they used to stand on the wall with bow and arrows. So, triple protection. They surround our full outside.
തണുപ്പ് കിട്ടാൻ സമ്മറിൽ. ഏറ്റവും ലാസ്റ്റ് ഡോട്ടറിന് വേണ്ടിട്ടോ പണിഞ്ഞതാ.
Beautiful carvings, details, all done by hand. Marble is the hardest than the red sandstone.
Oh,
So look at this. This is a beautiful palace. It is called Khas Mahal.
Khas Mahal.
Khas, K-H-A-S. Khas means special. There's a special palace built by Shah Jahan for his favorite wife Mumtaz.
Oh, മുംതാസിന് വേണ്ടി
This
ഉണ്ടാക്കിയതാ.
was the beautiful bedroom of the Shah Jahan and Mumtaz.
Okay.
When they are alive, they used to live in here. After death, they buried in the Taj Mahal.
Yeah, this was the bedroom of Shah Jahan and
And the
Mumtaz.
beauty of this palace,
No, both of them.
Yeah.
Oh, specially made for Mumtaz. But they both, yeah.
the beauty of this palace, the ceiling, arches decorated with real gold and silver loops. Like that. But there's not a gold for raising the ceiling, there is a big manual technique on the fan. The people will stand outside and they pull it that fan with the help of rope. So that kind of fan is there.
Ah.
The floor covered with a Persian carpet, the big silver sleeping bed inside. The bed made in the silver.
Oh, the bed was made in silver.
And outside, no doors, only the curtains. 2 guards outside. And the guards and the 25% males are not allowed. Even the guards, they are eunuchs. So no one can allow them to stop. And now we visit the marble part. So look at the beauty of the marble. Marble is a translucent light come to the marble. It's a real marble.
And the color changes. Color changes during the night.
This translucent lights come through the marble.
And
They
tube
brought the
light
marble from Rajasthan Institute of Makrana. So it's called the Makrana marble. Same marble used in the Taj Mahal.
അവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു ഫാൻ പോലെ ഫാൻ.
You take videos everywhere, not photos.
And let's see from there, see the gardens. There's the 4 gardens in the 4 corners. That's called Anguri Bagh. You know the Angur?
Angur, the grapes.
Grapes.
Yeah.
They like the wine actually. So they
Oh.
grow the grape plants and they make a fresh grape wine they used to drink.
മുന്തിരി തോട്ടങ്ങളായിരുന്നു അവിടെ. ആ സൈഡ് അപ്പുറം ഇപ്പുറം
He was a heavy drinker
Oh, say
and
that.
he liked
മുന്തിരി തോട്ടങ്ങളായിരുന്നു അപ്പുറം ഇപ്പുറം. അപ്പൊ അവര് ഷാജഹാന് വൈൻ ഒത്തിരി ഇഷ്ടമായിരുന്നു, മുന്തിരി വൈൻ.
That's why he lived the kingdom some years. His wife, Noor Jahan, her name, she used to take over.
Whose wife?
Noor Jahan, Jahangir's wife.
Ah, Jahangir.
Jahangir, he was a heavy drinker. So he left the kingdom and his wife, she's saying, you go Lahore, Pakistan for, I'll manage it. So she used to rule some
And this used to be
fountains.
fountains. What
Here's the
fountains?
rooms around. These rooms for the mistresses. He had more than 500 mistresses, so they used to live in their area.
Where was Mumtaz used to take baths?
I will show you.
Okay.
There's the fountains, 5 begin, and the small 32 outside. No electricity. There was a ladies' prison.
Ladies' prison.
Yes. He had a many mistresses, if they're going to fight each other, misbehave, put inside.
So I bet it was always full then, isn't it?
Always. If they're going to big mistakes, then.
Yeah.
And straight there, there's a nice palace. You're asking about the glass.
Oh yes.
And she asking about the bathroom.
Yeah.
That's a bathroom for the queen.
Ah,
Used in
okay.
the summertime as well. And basically this was the bathroom for the queen Mumtaz.
Mumtaz'inde bathroom.
Sheesh Mahal, the glass palace. Built by, there was a rose water fountain. And when she used to take a bath in there, there's a reflection in the mirror like millions of Mumtaz take a bath. Yeah, scratch the glass and the write names. The name of the building, the name of the palace. Sheesh means glass. Mahal
Okay.
is the palace. Cow palace.
This was Queen's bathroom.
Bathroom.
Oh. കൊള്ളാം. മുംതാസിന്റെ ബാത്റൂം.
എന്തുമാത്രം ഒരു ബാത്റൂം ഇത്രയും
The Taj Mahal guy, he told you what's the real name of the Rosa-e Mumtaz. You know Rosa-e Mumtaz, tomb of the Mumtaz.
ഓക്കെ, നമ്മളപ്പോ മുംതാസിന്റെ ബാത്റൂമിൽ നിന്നും തിരിച്ച് ഗാർഡനിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങാണ്. സോ ഇതെല്ലാം മുന്തിരിത്തോട്ടങ്ങളായിരുന്നല്ലേ? So this used to be the vineyard, both places. പക്ഷെ അതിലെ മുന്തിരി
അത്ര ഇതില്ലല്ലേ.
ഗ്രേപ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവും ഇതിനകത്ത്. ഇപ്പൊ ഇല്ല, ഇപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിലുണ്ട്. അല്ല, പണ്ടത്തെ അല്ല, പക്ഷെ അവര് ഇവിടെ ഒരെണ്ണം വെച്ചിരിക്കാണ്. ഇതിനകമൊക്കെ എന്താ അണ്ടർഗ്രൗണ്ട് ആയിരിക്കും അല്ലേ? ഓ, ഡാർക്ക് ഒന്നും കാണാൻ വയ്യ. ഇതെന്തോ ചെറിയൊരു ബാത്ത് പോലെ
അവിടുന്ന് വെള്ളം വന്ന് വീഴും.
ആണോ?
പോലെ ഇത് ഇതിന്റെ സോളാർ.
എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് വെള്ളം എടുത്ത് അത് നനയ്ക്കും.
ഓ, ഗാർഡനിൽ ഒഴിക്കാനുള്ള വെള്ളം. ആ,
കണ്ടോ?
യാ
When the tank was overflow,
യാ
water used to come down from here, goes to this tank, and then to the fountain that.
ഓക്കെ.
Then that tank overflow.
അല്ല, വാട്ടർ ഫൗണ്ടൻ. അമ്മ, അവിടുന്ന് വെള്ളം നിറയുമ്പോ ഫുൾ ആകുമ്പോ ഈ ടാങ്കിൽ വീഴും, എന്നിട്ട് ഇവിടുന്ന് അത് അങ്ങോട്ട് പോകും. നേപ്പാളീസ് ആണോ? ഇത് നേപ്പാളീസ്?
Burma.
ബർമ.
So this was the same palace for the elder daughter. Her
Yeah.
name was Jahanara.
ജഹാനാര.
I told you the King Shah Jahan had 2 daughters. There are Bibin.
The last one, yeah, younger one. This was the
Her name
elder.
was Roshan Ara, and this is for the elder daughter. Her name was Jahan Ara. And Shah Jahan, he had 4 sons.
4 sons and 2 daughters.
Yes. Shah Jahan's first son supposed to become a king according to rule.
Okay.
Elder son become the next king. But the last son, his name is Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb, yeah.
Aurangzeb, he wanted kingdom. So he killed his 3 brothers.
Oh,
He gave the poison at the dinner, killed the brothers, and then he put his father in the jail.
oh my God.
Because Shah Jahan, he built the white Taj Mahal for his wife memory. And he wanted to build one more Taj Mahal in black marble, just
Black.
other side of the river,
Yeah,
for himself, his
yeah,
memory.
yeah.
But his son, he doesn't like this spending so much money again. That's why he put his father in the jail and he became a king.
Shit.
So I'll show you where he was imprisoned by his own son Aurangzeb next.
So he was the 4th son.
He was the 4th son, yeah, the last one. He wanted the kingdom. So നാലാമത്തെ മകന് ഷാജഹാന് 4 ആമക്കളും 2 പെമക്കളും ആയിരുന്നു ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ നാലാമത്തവന് ഇതെല്ലാം അവകാശമാക്കണം, നാലാമത്തെ മകൻ. അപ്പൊ അവൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്ത് ആദ്യത്തെ 3 ജ്യേഷ്ഠന്മാരെയും കൊന്നു, ആഹാരത്തിൽ വിഷം കലർത്തി കൊന്നു. കൊന്നിട്ടാണ് ഷാജഹാനെ അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത്, അച്ഛനെ അറസ്റ്റ് ചെയ്ത് ജയിലിനകത്താക്കി. എന്നിട്ട് അവൻ രാജാവായി.
പെമ്മക്കളെ എന്ത് ചെയ്തു?
I will show you where.
പെമക്കൾ ആരും കെട്ടിട്ടില്ലല്ലോ.
Not a face, houses, like a house. You're going to
ഒറ്റ പീസ് തോന്നുന്നുണ്ടോ? ഒറ്റ പീസ്
see this is the most beautiful. It's like not a jail, but it's like a house. We have no permission. We leave this place. We just allowed this part, whole part.
You couldn't go around the whole place.
No,
Just this
the
place.
guards they used to be stayed like a house arrest. 8 years he was in prison, like 1658 to 1666, and he can see the view of the Taj Mahal every day because he loved very much for his wife. But when he crossed the 70-year age, when he's 70 years old, he lost his eyesight. Actually, his eyesight weak, so he cannot see the Taj Mahal because Taj Mahal is so far. And that time not use the glasses Google, so he was very sad. He can't see his wife mausoleum. So his elder daughter, she very close with his father. She given a special magnified glass. So he can see the Taj Mahal reflection through the glass again. And after he died in here, and he buried in the Taj Mahal near his wife.
അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു ഷാജഹാൻ ഇട്ടിരുന്ന സ്ഥലം. തടങ്കലിലല്ല, ഇതിനകത്ത് ഇട്ടിരിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. ഇവിടുന്ന് വെളിയിൽ ഇറങ്ങാൻ പെർമിഷൻ ഇല്ലായിരുന്നു ഈ ഒരു സെറ്റപ്പിനകത്തും. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെ ഇരുന്നോണ്ട് താജ്മഹൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റുമായിരുന്നു പുള്ളിക്ക്. പക്ഷെ 70-ാമത്തെ വയസ്സിൽ കണ്ണിന് കാഴ്ച നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു തുടങ്ങി. അപ്പൊ താജ്മഹൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ലല്ലോ. അപ്പം ഏറ്റവും മൂത്ത മകള് ഷാജഹാനുമായിട്ട് ഒത്തിരി ക്ലോസ് ആയിരുന്നു. അപ്പൊ അവരൊരു എന്തോ ഒരു ഗ്ലാസ്, പ്രത്യേക തരം ഒരു ഗ്ലാസ് ഉണ്ടാക്കി കൊടുത്തു. അപ്പൊ അതിന്റെ റിഫ്ലക്ഷൻ വെച്ചിട്ട് താജ്മഹൽ കാണുമായിരുന്നു.
This is the inlaid work. All the precious semi-precious stones. Marble and press the colored stones in the marble.
Precious stones. These are all precious stones, yeah? From different parts of the world. Hey, some people are removing it.
How they can cut it, press the
Can you see? It's taken off. Can you see it's taken off?
Yeah, some people they taken out some stones. That's why they're going to close.
And they sell it.
Sell it. They will they take it home.
Souvenirs.
So souvenirs. They put them on the rings as well.
Babre.
In the center there was a fountain, the rose water fountain. One single piece of stone.
Rose water fountain.
Yes. One single piece of stone with the carvings and inlay. And this looks more beautiful when they're going to fill with the water, so all the carvings and inlays comes up and look as like a carpet. He did not build his son as a prison. This part built by Shah Jahan himself and ordered by Mumtaz.
Oh, Shah Jahan built this for Mumtaz.
Yes, this was the wind palace, air palace for the Mumtaz.
Huh?
Air palace.
Air palace to get fresh air. So she used to go and stand over there.
There was a chair. She used to sit there.
ഓ മുംതാസിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഷാജഹാൻ പണിഞ്ഞതാണ്. എയർ കാറ്റ് കൊള്ളാനൊക്കെ വന്നിരിക്കുന്ന സ്ഥലമായിരുന്നു. മുംതാസിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഷാജഹാൻ പണിഞ്ഞതാ. പക്ഷെ ഇവിടെയാണ് അവസാനം കിടന്ന് മരിക്കുന്നത് പുള്ളി.
So before that time, it was open to that.
നീലക്കല്ലോ ആ ബ്ലൂ സ്റ്റോൺ What's in here? Oh, water fountain.
The water used to came there, goes to the underground from this room.
ഇതിലേക്ക് കൂടെ വെള്ളം വരും മേളിന്ന്. എന്നിട്ട് ഇത് ഒഴുകി അപ്പുറത്തെ മുംതാസിന്റെ വെള്ളം വാട്ടർ ഇതിലേക്കൂടെ പോയിട്ട് അപ്പുറത്ത് ചെല്ലും.
Underground way, the secret passage to the river.
Oh, is it?
Yes. When the enemy they used to came in, can he escape from here to the river? It was the underground way, the secret passage to the river.
ആൻഡ് നദി കൂടെ രക്ഷപ്പെടാനുള്ള സ്ഥലമായിരുന്നു എനിമി വന്നാല്. Mina Masjid
Yes.
means
You know what masjid means?
mosque.
Masjid. Here inside, small and beautiful mosque that's called Mina Masjid. That mosque built by Shah Jahan in 1631. When he was in prison, he used to came here 5 times a day. He used to pray inside.
Pray.
the mosque
Oh, okay.
and go back to the prison. That's his personal his personal mosque. But it's broken in attacks by the British. They attacked the British government, they attacked the school 1803. They attacked and they threw the cannonballs. So at that time it's broken, so closed by the government.
എല്ലാ നാശത്തിന്റെയും പുറകിൽ ബ്രിട്ടീഷുകാരാണ്.
അവരിവിടെ നമ്മുടെ അവരുടെ നാട്ടിൽ പേരിൽ ശല്യം ചെയ്തു അല്ലേ? Kitchen, Jahangir Palace, I will told you that behind the dining hall there was a part of kitchen.
ഓക്കെ.
This is official work. It is called Diwan-e-Khas. Diwan-e-Khas, it's like a private meeting palace, parliament house.
ഓക്കെ.
In the winter, in the monsoon, the kings used to sit from inside in there. During in the summer, in the evening, the kings used to sit from the outside. The black throne for the king used to sit on the black throne. Prime minister sit on the white bench, and the floor covered with a carpet. Ministers, they used to sit on the carpet.
So this was the parliament. So the black stone over there, the
King
seat,
used to sit, king's throne.
the king. Okay, and here
White is prime minister.
prime minister, and over here,
During in the monsoon,
yeah.
when winter, they used to sit. They used to arrange the meeting.
Oh, monsoon. Okay, rainy season.
മുമ്പെയുള്ള ബാൽക്കണി.
Peacock throne.
Peacock throne, Shah Jahan's
It
favorite.
was here first.
Oh, in this place.
Yes. And that throne totally made by solid gold. That throne weight is 1100 kilogram.
Oh,
And that throne more than 5,000 diamonds, small big diamonds.
more than 5,000 diamonds.
And the world famous and biggest diamond, Kohinoor diamond.
So where is that chair now?
That throne Shah Jahan is saved in the Red Fort in Delhi. They are attacked by Nadir Shah. He's a king from Iran. He took that.
Iran. Oh.
And he married that. And the Britishers, they took the diamond. Now that diamond in Tower of London.
Oh, the
The Queen's crown.
Crown.
Kohinoor diamond.
Yes.
Shah
The
Jahan.
Jahangir actually.
Oh, Jahangir's.
Jahangir used to sit on this stone. And he chose this stone. This is the black onyx. Onyx
Black.
stone.
Olex.
Onyx stone.
Olex stone.
He imported this stone from Belgium, Europe.
എടാ ബെൽജിയത്തിൽ നിന്ന് കൊണ്ടുവന്ന സ്റ്റോൺ ഇത് യൂറോപ്പിൽ നിന്ന്.
Bring the big block of stone by ship, and they giving a shape of branch in Allahabad in India. And he chose the stone because he was famous for the justice. He thought when he sit on this stone, he give the good justice, take the good decisions. That's why he chose this stone. But at that time, this built one single block of stone without any joints, including the legs. But 1803, British government, they want kingdom, so they attacked through the cannonballs. So the one cannonball hit this branch as well. See the scratch in the corner?
Oh.
They threw from that side, so hit this branch first. And the
Oh, and
cannonball slipped from here, the bounce, hit the branch. See the hole is there?
Oh.
The first arc. There's the arc. That time there's a crack in two pieces by the cannonball.
പീരങ്കി അങ്ങനെ അവിടെ പൊട്ടിയത് ദാണ്ട ആ പൊട്ടിയിരിക്കുന്നിടം ഇവിടെ തൊട്ട് ആ ഭിത്തിയിൽ പോയി ഇടിച്ച് അതാണ് ആ ഹൂൾ അവിടെ കാണുന്നത്. എവിടെ വെച്ചാ പീരങ്കില്? താഴെ. ഓ, അപ്പൊ രാജാവ് ഇവിടെ ഇരിപ്പുണ്ടായിരുന്നോ? ഇല്ല. ഓ, എന്തുവായിരുന്നു ആ കാലഘട്ടമൊക്കെ അല്ലേ? എന്തുവാ? ആ, നമുക്കൊന്നും അന്ന് ഇതിന്റെ ഏഴായിലത്ത് വരാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. ഇവിടെ വേറെ തോട്ടം ഉണ്ടോ? ആ, അങ്ങോട്ടുണ്ടടാ. അങ്ങോട്ടുണ്ട് ഫോർട്ട്.
ഇതും ബാത്റൂം കേട്ടോ, റോയൽ ബാത്റൂം.
ഏത്? ആ കാട് കാണുന്നിടത്തെല്ലാം പുലി, സിംഹം, കടുവ എല്ലാം പ്രൊട്ടക്ഷന് വേണ്ടി ഇട്ടിരുന്നതാ. ആൻഡ്രൂ, അവിടെയൊക്കെ ആയിരുന്നു ടൈഗർ, ലയൺ, ലെപ്പേർഡ് എല്ലാം അവിടെ. പക്ഷേ താജ്മഹൽ കാണാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല എപ്പോഴും, മഞ്ഞായതുകൊണ്ട്. ഇത് പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്ററിന്റെ സീറ്റ്. ഇല്ല, കറക്റ്റടാ, പന്തം കൊളുത്തി വെച്ചിരുന്ന സ്ഥലങ്ങളാ ഇതെല്ലാം.
These holders for the torches.
Torch light, yeah? Fire lamps. Yeah.
See the lawn, the grass patch. But during in the Shah Jahan, there are no lawn, no grass. During the Shah Jahan period, from the grass, 7 feet more deep white marble tank.
ഓ, ടാങ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു ഇവിടെ. 7 feet അടി, 7 അടി താഴത്തില് ഇവിടെ മാർബിൾ ടാങ്ക് ആയിരുന്നു. Yeah.
The tank full of water with the colorful fishes. There was an aquarium.
അക്വേറിയം ആയിരുന്നു ഇവിടെ.
Huge pond is there. During the Shah Jahan period. Yes.
Big fish tank.
Fish from the river because they used to play the game hunting the fish. King used to sit over here in the white tower. His wives used to sit over there in the red tower. And here's
the king and queen used to have competition. And king used to sit here.
They not catch with a rope. They shoot with bow and arrows.
And
the aquarium.
And what happens? Who wins?
His son. Officially queen win.
Is it?
Very much sure. So he looked the Mumtaz and she shoot the fish.
Oh.
His son, he doesn't like that. Aurangzeb. He's not going to maintain. So he took the marble and he filled the tank.
He was so stupid, isn't it?
He just considered only for the kingdom actually. The rooms in the down, the closed rooms, open room, that's for Meena Bazaar. The ladies shopping center.
Ladies shopping center, all the small rooms. ആ ചെറിയ റൂം എല്ലാം കാണുന്നില്ലേ, അതെല്ലാം ലേഡീസിന്റെ ഷോപ്പിംഗ് സെന്റർ. സാധനങ്ങളൊക്കെ മേടിക്കുന്ന ഡ്രസ്സും ഓർണമെന്റ്സും ഒക്കെ. വിൽക്കാൻ ആൾക്കാർ വരും.
These women were not allowed outside of the
അവര് വെളിയിൽ പോകാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ലല്ലോ, അപ്പൊ ഇതെല്ലാം കടകൾ ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു അവർക്ക്.
No, people used to come and sell their things.
മറ്റേ അപ്പൊ അമ്പും വില്ലും ഉപയോഗിച്ച് മീനെ പിടിക്കും. മത്സരം ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു രാജാവും രാജ്ഞിയും കൂടെ. മുംതാസ് അവിടെ ഇരിക്കും, ഇവിടെ രാജാവ് ഇരിക്കും.
Night they put the oil and torches. You can imagine that looks awesome at night. Marble tank, colorful fishes, and the torch reflection in the water. I'm sorry. These are the offices.
Offices, all these rooms.
So they collect the tax, records, papers, all the documents they used to set inside these rooms.
അല്ല, ഭയങ്കര മെടുക്കാനായിരുന്നു. അതുകൊണ്ടല്ലേ ഇത്രയൊക്കെ ഓരോ രാജ്യത്തു നിന്ന് പിടിച്ചെടുത്തോണ്ട് വന്ന് ഉണ്ടാക്കിയത്. Oh my god. കാല് നടക്കുന്നില്ല, നീ സോക്സ് ഇട്ടേക്കുന്നുണ്ട് രക്ഷോട്ട്. So what did he say, Andrew?
This is a mosque only for females. So the
ladies. ഇവിടെ ഫീറ്റ് വാഷ് ചെയ്യുന്നതാ അല്ലേ? കാല് കഴുകിയിട്ട് അതിൽ കൂടെ വെള്ളം ഇതിനകത്തോട്ട് വീഴും. ഇവിടുന്ന് കാല് കഴുകിയിട്ട് അവരകത്ത് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കാനിരിക്കും. ലേഡീസിന്റെ പ്രെയർ ഹോൾ.
Now we're going downstairs.
രാജാവിരുന്ന സ്ഥലം. Going down. This looks like going to dungeon.
Amma marunnu.
Guys, this was another beautiful part. It is called Diwan-e-Aam, the house of public audience.
Okay.
Public audience. So people they lived outside, they have a problems, they used to came here.
Ah.
The king used to sit in the center arch. No, Diwan-e-Aam, Diwan-e-Khas. The king used to sit there. The queens they sit in the windows from the both sides. Prime minister sit on the wide bench, and the people they sit on the floor from the outside. And they used to conference here.
മനസ്സിലായോ? ഇപ്പൊ ആൾക്കാര് പാവങ്ങളൊക്കെ അല്ലാതെ ഇവിടുത്തെ ജനങ്ങള് അമ്മേ ഇവിടുത്തെ ജനങ്ങളെല്ലാം ഇവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു വന്നിരുന്നിരുന്ന സ്ഥലം. അവർക്ക് എന്തെങ്കിലും പരാതി ബോധിപ്പിക്കാനോ എന്തെങ്കിലും രാജാവിനെ അറിയിക്കാനോ പറയാനൊക്കെ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ അവർ ഇവിടെ വരുന്നത്. അപ്പൊ ഇവിടെ ആയിരുന്നു പ്രൈം മിനിസ്റ്റർ ഇവിടെ ഇരിക്കും, രാജാവ് അവിടെ മേളിലിരിക്കും, രാജ്ഞി ഇവിടെ ജനലിൽ കൂടെ നോക്കും.
Total 64 pillars. 64. And all the pillars are straight in the one line. You can see any directions, pillars are straight in the one line. And the beauty of the pillar, this side is a gate. The gate is here. Same gate is from there. Symmetry. Any people they enter from any gate. From the gate they can say the king. And they salute the king without blocking any pillars.
Oh.
This is the beauty, architecture. The 64 pillars, but pillars are not blocking between people and king. They can see each other.
ഈ പില്ലേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ, ഈ തൂണ്, ഈ തൂണുകളെല്ലാം ഇരിക്കുന്നത് എന്റെ പൊസിഷൻ രാജാവ് ഇരിക്കുന്നിടം ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യുന്ന രീതിയിലല്ല. അതായത് ആ ഗേറ്റ് വേ കൂടെ ആര് കടന്നു വന്നാലും രാജാവിനെ കാണണം. അവര് സല്യൂട്ട് ചെയ്തിട്ട് അകത്തോട്ട് കയറത്തുള്ളൂ. അപ്പൊ ഈ തൂണൊന്നും ബ്ലോക്ക് ചെയ്യാത്ത രീതിയിലാണ് അത് വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്നത്. ഭയങ്കര എഞ്ചിനീയർമാരായിരുന്നു അല്ലേ ആർക്കിടെക്ചേഴ്സ്.
So double roof, the echo sound, the resound. So people they used to say little far, they can hear it clearly. Money?
ഇല്ല.
Money?
The bell.
Well, that's in the public.
Bell.
Yeah, the public.
Public
Entrance. The Jahangir was famous for the justice, so he will bring that gold bell. They have a problem anytime they ring the bell and he used to arrange a meeting.
ജഹാംഗീർ ചക്രവർത്തിയാണോ അതോ ഷാജഹാൻ? Over.
Yes. Behind the wall, the 75% part of the fort, but nothing interesting to see. Only that white building and that mosque for the public. Shah Jahan did that for the mosque for the army and for the public audience.
Okay.
And
Can we go there?
No, we are not allowed to visit that part. See the tomb on the floor. He's a British guy. His name is John Russell Colvin. Actually, he born in India 1807. And he became a British Lieutenant Governor of the Northwest Province of India. And he died in this fort 1857. So he buried here.
Oh, so he lived his whole life in India?
He was born here, yeah.
He born here and he died.
അമ്മേ, ആ കാണുന്നത് ഒരു സായിപ്പിനെ അടക്കിയ സ്ഥലമാണ്. അയാൾ ഇവിടുത്തെ ഗവർണർ ആയിരുന്നു. ആ സായിപ്പ് ജനിച്ചതും വളർന്നതും എല്ലാം ഇന്ത്യയിലായിരുന്നു. പേരെന്താ? നെയിം
John Russell Calder. He was a governor, so he just renovated.
അയാളായിരുന്നു ഇവിടുത്തെ ഗവർണർ. So how did he die?
The Mysore Palace. I don't know if.
He died by cholera.
Oh, cholera.
How old was he when he died then?
Sorry? He 50 years old.
50.
50 വയസ്സുള്ളപ്പോ മരിച്ചു, കോളറ ബാധിച്ച്. ഓ, സോബിൻ, ഈ സാഹിബ് എങ്ങനെ മരിച്ചെന്നറിയോ? ജോൺ റസൽ കോവിൻ 50-ാമത്തെ വയസ്സിൽ കോളറ ബാധിച്ച് മരിച്ചു.
During Akbar period, 4,000 people, workers, they built this fort in 8 years.
4,000 people.
Yes. And at that time, this fort cost 3.5 million rupees.
4000 ആൾക്കാരെ ഉപയോഗിച്ചാണ്.
The area of the fort, 2.5 kilometers circumference. So this is just 25 years in power. That's the exit way. You want to stay here?
ഇവിടെ ഇന്നൊരു ഫോട്ടോ.
Cross that gate, take left, there was a wall. That's the new one. You hear sound and light should go down.
ഏത് ഇതിനകത്തും ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു?
This fort was invaded by
എന്താ പറഞ്ഞേ? മ്യൂസിക്
In that area, that was the welcome area. People used to play music and throw flowers.
ഇതിലല്ലേ നമ്മള് പോയ അങ്ങോട്ട്?